Hello everyone. Continuing to the last class, I will continuously have a practice more. We should go to the digital mode of DMU Kinematics. For entering this, please digital mode select digital mode and DMU select DMU Kinematics like me. Then you can enter to the digital mode of Kinematics Workbench like this. And in this case, after opening the menu using the assembly constraint conversion under the anchor shape, click new mechanism. New mechanism is placed in this part. Therefore, we should maybe view toolbar. And view toolbar. Okay, here I got it. Digital mode of kinematics. Then 1, 2, 3. Maybe this one is assembly constraint conversion. Assembly constraint. If assembly constraint conversion is occurred like this, then new mechanism click. New mechanism click first, and mechanism 1 OK. Then auto create. And finally OK as follows. Then in mechanism 1 degree of number 2 should be made. And after pressing the arrow on the icon above the anchor icon, maybe click gear joint. Assembly in the additionally created menu. Maybe in the additionally created menu we can find the gear joint from this. Then the windows, many windows can be appeared in like this, and this is additionally created menu. And create revolution joint. This is a revolution joint create, and designate the axis of the plate part, the axis of the cog wheel, the surface of the wheel, and the upper surface of the rods. Therefore, in this case, like this, line 1 this is line 1, I think, and current selection 이번에는 current selection을 해줘야 되기 때문에 이번에는 파트 2를 프로덕트 이제 라인 2를 하기 위해서 하이드를 하나 시켜줘야 될 텐데요. 뭘 하이드 시켜주냐면 얘를 하이드 시켜주겠습니다. 얘를 하이드 시켜주고 얘를 좀 매그니파이 한 다음에 라인 2에다가 얘를 라인 2를 해주고요. 그 다음에 다시 플레인 1으로 가서 좀 전에 하이드 시킨 거를 다시 쇼로 바꿔주고요. 쇼로 뷰 다시 얘는 얘가 아니군요. 얘는 쇼로 바꾸겠습니다. 쇼로 바꾸고 얘를 하이드를 얘를 하이드를 쇼로 시키고 okay. I will hide some part. This part is I show this part again, and in this case please select in plane 1 is here and plane 2 is this one, and OK button is needed. Script button is selected first, and in case of line 1 we should select this one, and in case of line 2 please hide this multipad and in this case please select this axis, and in case of plane 1 we should show the multipad, and please select in plane 1 should be here and plane 2 should be this one, and if we click OK button the revolution joint 1 should be created, and revolution joint 2 should be created in this mechanism, and please select this one and hide the multipad and please select this axis for line 2. Line 2 should be maybe this axis, and please show the multipad again, and in plane 1 this part should be selected, and plane 2 should be this part, this. Then in this case, okay, if we click OK, then maybe if we see mechanism and see joint, revolution 1, 2 may be made in this operation. Then maybe in some cases I go to the assembly design once again, and please manipulation and some part should be rotated like this, and again we should enter to the detail mode of detail DMU Kinematics, and in mechanism plus and joint should be plus like this, and in case of gear 3 should be double clicked like this, and in this case angle driven revolution 1 should be selected first, and angle driven to revolution 2, minus angle 1 is started from minus 360 degree to 360 degree, and also second also the angle should be minus 360 degree to 360 degree. That is should be set up like here. If you set up well, then please click OK button. Then the mechanism can be simulated, information can be shown in this after this operation. Maybe in this case everything should be ready. In ready situation, please click simulation button like this, and in this case mechanism 1, select mechanism 1, and if we click OK button, and then some simulation, added simulation should be needed from this one, and maybe in this case this is plus 360 degree, and this is minus 360 degree simulation mode like this, and maybe in this case if we click on the minus 360 and plus 360 can be operated from this button placed in Kinematics Simulation Mechanism 1, and please minus button in this one, and in this case in this time please click animation viewport and insert it, and this should be modified to 0.1 insert 0.01, and if we click play button, click this one and please change it to 0.01, and this is repeated. Then if we click this play button, then the simulation could be inserted like this. Can you see this one? Okay. And if we click this one, then that is quit like this operation. If you maybe this should be point 1. Okay, this in this case, the if you click digital simulation button like this, then please click this one and mechanism one. Okay. Then this is minus 30, minus 360, and animation viewpoint insert, and this one should be reduced to 0. And insert. If we click I'm sorry, this is wrong. I'll try once again, and please click mechanism 1. OK, and animation viewpoint insert, and this should be reduced to 0.1, and this one, and if we click this one, okay, this one, if we click this one, this is rotated well, and I will try mechanism 1 button first, and you should manipulate it by this button, and please select animation viewpoint and insert. Should be necessary for operation, and please change loop mode to this one. And if you press okay, stop, and if you select this one to very slow mode, then the every rotation should be represented from 3 160 degree to minus 0 degree. That is operated well. And please press this one is pause button like here. Is play once again, and please change this into 0.02. Then this should be more faster than before. If you click 1, then you cannot differentiate it, because this is very fast. Therefore, we should change it to more slower one, and change loop mode to this one. That is okay. Click play one, and then if you click this one, then if you click this one once again, only one direction rotation could be like this. Only clockwise button rotation could be represented in this button. And if we click this one, then that is stopped automatically. And if we click this one and play once again, then rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise can be alternatively repeated from this operation. You can understand it well, okay?
게끔 하는 옵션이 되겠습니다.
You change, if you click the play button like here, and please change the pause button and cancel, and please change the view mode like this, and in this case, please click simulation button once again and click OK, and animation viewpoint insert, and this should be changed like here. This is paused in this time. Therefore, if you click this one is clockwise and anti-clockwise repetition, and if we click once again, only clockwise operating can be made in this operation. Therefore, please click this one, and okay, I'll try it once again, and OK button, and animation viewpoint insert this one, and pause button, and this one, and pause button once again, and enter this cancel. I will try once again. Simulation button, okay. Then if you see this one, please insert this one and change it to 001, and please insert button once again. stop button please, and this one should be recognized well, and skip change loop mode should be like this, and in this operation insert okay, I see. We should select this one and OK button and insert, and this is one, and simulation one, mechanism one, OK, and from this one, from this one, from this one, from this one, and insert viewpoint, and this one should be modified like this, and please insert this one, and please click the viewpoint. Maybe this everything should be well edited from this button, and some case if you click this one once again, and you can freely manipulate this one well. Okay, everything is well established in this from this button, and if you click simulation mechanism and command the speed acceleration, everything can be well adjusted from this operation. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye. Bye bye.